Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to share your location in Google Maps with your iPhone. So let's begin. I'm going to head to Google Maps first, and as you can see in Google Maps, I'm able to see two locations, actually three. So here is one and here is two. And if you want to share your location with someone just like this, then you'll have to click on the profile on the upper right corner. After clicking on profile, scroll down and click on location sharing. Now in location sharing, as you can see, I am sharing my location with quite a people. Now if I want to share location with some more people or new people, then I need to click on this plus icon over here. Now from here you need to scroll all the way here and click on more, and then click on continue over here to give your contact access. And here you need to type down the name or email which you want to share. So make sure it's a Gmail so you can share your location with the Google. Now here you can just select any of your contacts from the list, or you can type down the email address over here. After you have typed down email address or selected a contact, you can click on share on the upper right corner over here, and then you are going to be able to share your location. Now I will select the contact over here, and as you can see, the contact will be able to see my location for 1 hour. If you want to change this location and you want to share your location indefinitely, then you can select the second option. Then your location will always be shared with them. So no matter where you go, they will be able to share your location, or vice versa if you are doing it from the other device in your email account. After that, you can just click on save over here, and then it will now be saved. That's how you can share location in Google Maps with your iPhone. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.